Coming from a non-oatmeal eater, if you've never had overnight oats, I promise you, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, as I said, I am not an oatmeal eater. For some reason, just regular oatmeal does not sound appealing to me. It does not look appealing to me, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I saw some of the kids where I work at the elementary school have been eating overnight oats, and I don't know why. I've been intrigued by it, and I decided to get ahead and give it a try, and I gotta tell you, oh man, is it absolutely delicious. It is healthy for you. All the ingredients are they're just so healthy for you, and I'm telling you, they are delicious. I have made it, this is gonna be, I think, my 4th time now making them. And my oldest son devours it. He just absolutely loves it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I make it. This is not my recipe. I'm gonna put the name of the website where I got it from, and I'll also put the link at the end in the description box, so you can just go ahead and click on the link and go right to their site. So please go ahead and check them out. So let me turn the camera around. We'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. I have some granola, oats, chia seeds, strawberries, 100% pure honey, Greek yogurt. I have plain, but I also use vanilla Greek yogurt as well. I have some blueberries, oat milk, and I also have some pure vanilla, and that is all the ingredients we'll be using. So friends, you saw not a lot of ingredients, but oh, are they going to be delicious when they're combined. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, so I have a 1/2 cup of rolled oats in my bowl already. And now I have a 1/2 cup of oat milk. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. And like I said, I often use vanilla Greek yogurt. I do like that a little bit better. But when I went to get it, the store only had Greek yogurt, but that's okay, just plain. Alrighty, and then I'm going to add in, I have 5 strawberries here, just sliced. I will be topping this with some more strawberries, so you want about 10 strawberries total that are just, regular size. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 teaspoons of honey. Oops. And there's 1. And 2. Okay. So you can get all that out of there. Alrighty. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Might do a couple extra dashes since I'm not using vanilla yogurt. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Friends, that is it. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix this up well. I am using a glass bowl, and I have a lid that will seal very tightly. A lot of people I've seen use mason jars, so you can do that. And you can see it's a little watery, which is the way it's supposed to be. You can add a dash of salt in here if you'd like. Alrighty, and friends, that's it to mix it up. I'm going to put my lid on here. Alright, we're going to seal this up nice and tight, get all that air out. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator. Alright, my friends, so that's now in the fridge, and it will need to stay there overnight. It's about 3 o'clock right now when I mixed that up. So we will do a taste test tomorrow, and you will notice there'll be a big difference after it's sat overnight. So for me, it'll be the next day, but for you, real quick. All right, my friends, it is now the next morning, and I have my overnight oats. Take the lid off. That's what it looks like. I'll give you a close-up picture at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up, put it in a nice pretty bowl, and then we'll add our toppings, and I'll show you what I add. And you can see, friends, it's not as watery. Okay, it's a lot thicker now. So we're just gonna, we could eat it out of this bowl, but we're gonna make it look pretty. Alright, my friends, so I'm gonna add some of my granola. This is the granola protein. I get it from Aldi. I'm gonna add some right on top. I have some sliced, I was getting ready to say green pepper. Oh my gosh. Some sliced strawberries, and then I have a few blueberries. And you could add the blueberries in this dish when you were making it. Honestly, any fruit you want. I don't know if I mentioned it. I made a fruit salad, and I used up all my fruit, and I just took some of the fruit salad and plopped it in there. So friends, there you have it. Now let's go ahead and do our taste test. Alright, my friends, pictures at the end. This makes a great snack. It makes a great breakfast. It makes a great dessert anytime, lunch even. It is so delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Friends, I've been making this for my breakfast every morning, or been making it ahead of time and having it for my breakfast. And it's been holding me over. I was doing some shakes and I was starving after the shakes. They just were not filling me up. This is like stick to your ribs kind of food. It holds me over till lunchtime. I'm not starving at lunchtime. And you know, like I said, I'm not an oatmeal person. You don't even realize you're eating oatmeal. This is absolutely delicious. I think I'm going to experiment a little bit more and maybe try some other Greek yogurts that have flavors in it, like strawberry, blueberry, or whatever, just out of curiosity to see how that works. Haven't done it yet, but I think I am going to experiment. And if I do, I'll leave what I think in the description box. I'll update this video at some point and say, you know, I've tried it and yes, no, whatever. So anyway, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.